It's Preptober, everybody. That means it is time to get that planning knocked out with the Bujo planner for NaNoWriMo. And we have a Halloween house tour today. Let's get started. Hey guys, NaNoWriMo is just around the corner, and that means we are going to sit down today and work that Bujo planner, get it ready to go. I'm going to start by getting set up to have a playlist playing in the background, some motivating music, as well as maybe a live stream. Do you guys hit live streams? I've started doing my own live stream. It's actually pretty horrible, but I've been doing it every Friday morning for Preptober. May do it through NaNoWriMo. And I've been having fun learning how to use the streaming software, which has been pretty great. So come check it out. It's 4 a.m. Pacific time, 7 a.m. Eastern on Friday mornings through Preptober and NaNoWriMo, so through this month, the rest of this month and November. So if you've been here for a while, you know this is my tried and true Nano Bujo. I've used this year after year, and while last year, and I believe a couple years prior, was sort of a bust, the year before last was pretty great, and I actually finished the word count goal. Didn't finish the books I was working on, but I did finish the word count goal. And I got to win it. Yay! So we're going to section off some of the book that we're not going to be using, just to kind of be able to keep tabs on how this is going to go. The first thing I do is create a cover page. So what you're seeing here is the cover page. I bought some stamps and ink off of Temu. I'm not a Temu fan, I gotta tell you. It's just, I know there's people just raving left and right, everything's so cheap. Well, the quality of pretty much all the products I've received from them are similarly quite cheap, so I just would not recommend doing it. I may get a lot of flack for that, but it is what it is. So the next page is the color-coded key for each section and the table of contents, where we're going to keep track of what pages are for what. The first page is going to be the NaNoWriMo tracker. This is where we do the days of the month on the bottom, and on the side there it is the word count goals incrementally up to 50,000 words. The next page we're going to do is going to be the the November log. So this is just going to be the days and dates of the month 1 through 30 on the left hand side, and we're going to write in what days we can work on what things. It's sort of just a different overview, high level planning system, because you're getting the overview of the entire month in linear form, but I don't know, I still need to make it pretty, so you get to see everything sort of mapped out by the date and days, and really chunk out what you can and cannot use. So let's put this together, because this is a fun little thing to do.
Soon, like I hit my head and I was coming to sweep on that shadow, color those lips of blue, paint those nails red. It's time to go out and get dressed too. Standing in the foyer, I asked for your love, babe. Please, daddy, let's find who we used to be.
So what I'm pointing at here is that I added 31 days to the November log. There is not 31 days in November, there are 30. Okay, and now I have moved on to my final page. I'm only doing, yes, 4 total pages for my Bujo this year. I wanted to simplify it, to minimize distractions. Sometimes you can get a little too carried away with all the pretty things you want to do, and I'm all about stickers, glitter, and washi tape. So I have combined this to be my Preptober checklist with some things I wanted to accomplish. I've added a favorite moments section, which I've completely already started filling in. I'm so excited. And the bottom will be just for extras. So what a cute idea this was. So this sort of came about because the Heart Breathings community with the author Sarah Cannon, she's great. If you're a writer, and there's all kinds of resources that she has, you got to go check her channel out, her website. So this was a printout from her Preptober workbook, I believe, and it says, please do not disturb the writer unless you've got chocolate. Leave the chocolate by the door. Thank you, love you, or something like that at the bottom. I can't remember. But I thought I would expand upon this, decorate it, and set it up as a cute little Preptober activity to sort of warn my family members that I am not to be disturbed during this 1,667 words per day goal that I want to hit every day, right? We want to hit these numbers. So this was part of a Preptober activity. Please enjoy, and hopefully this gives you some inspo.
What you thought? What you thought? What you thought? I know I'm not. What you thought? This girl is so damn hot. What you thought? Walking around in a 6-inch heel. What you thought? A bowling pin curved with flabbergasted wheels. What you thought? I'ma suggest you come back with another game plan. Because I know what I want, and you don't fit in. Take a look around, you don't fit into that. What you thought? What you thought?
And that's going to wrap up the bullet journal planning for NaNoWriMo. What does your NaNoWriMo Bujo look like this year? I'd like to know. Put it down in the comments below. And let's take a quick break before we do the Halloween house tour with a scene from a class that I took to practice scary characterization just in time for Halloween.
Don't look back because I'm in you.
Ooh, creepy. Anyways, so one last plug, calling all writers. Join me in a Preptober live stream writing event every Friday through the month of October and November for NaNoWriMo at 4:30 Pacific time. It'll be a good, spooky kind of fun. Okay, I am finally decorated for Halloween, so let's give you the tour. I just adore this spooky time of year. I didn't really used to decorate for it, and I don't know, something came over me maybe 2 years ago, and I finally just got it together. And now the more skeletons and spiders and cobwebs I can conjure up, pun intended, the better. So enjoy. Oh, there's my Bruno. Look at him in his little costume.
You're so handsome. You like your pumpkin? Are you handsome? Oh, you're so handsome. Let me see how handsome you look. Look at you, Bruno. Bruno. Do you feel handsome? Do you feel handsome? You feel handsome? Yes, you do. You little pumpkin.
All right, let's take this decorating party outside. Let me show you how this all came together in the front. I think this year it really came together real cute, and I had a good time. So grab your coffee and or your dish gloves, and you can work alongside with me if you're decorating yourself, or just check out the shenanigans that I had to go through. Okay, so I don't know how you go about hanging lighting for Halloween. This is the second year I've done this. I never used to do that, but I cleaned off this window and I'm putting up hooks, the command hooks, the clear ones you can't really see. Okay, so I just love this giant life-size spider web with the spider. I zip-tied him to it so that he wouldn't fall last year, and I thought that putting it away nicely that way would help this stay untangled, but just like you put away your lights every year during the holiday, after the holidays rather, and next year you seem to still have them a jumbled mess. Well, apparently that happens with spider webs. And yeah, those power lines are literally attached to my house, and it's completely unsafe, but it is the reality. It's just the way it is. I wish I could figure out how to get them off the house or better positioned so that we're not constantly worried about those. But that's sort of like a city thing, and can't really deal with that, so.
Hastily walk through the door, staring deep into the car. Drop my keys, the door's ajar. I stop and think about the day. Walk me up just to say, baby, you mean the whole world to me. I love you so madly, so deeply. My heart belongs to you, my confidant, my dear. There's no other.
So happy Halloween! We've done it. Let's take the tour. I just love how this came out. I did this last year, the exact same thing, pretty much in this walkway up to the front of the house. I have a lot of plans to do with that entryway. I'll save that for another video, maybe next year. And the spider came out so cute. I love it. In my little graveyard. Oh my gosh, how cute would that be to get an extra? Oh, this is so extra. But to get an extra skeleton laying on the ground reading a book in his graveyard, just so silly. Anyway, we got this spooky guy here up on the corner peeking out from the side of the building. And I'm just so pleased with this. It is simple, yes, but it is adorable. Let's look at it at night. Oh, the lights came out great. Happy Halloween, everybody, and keep Preptobering, and let's get excited for that NaNoWriMo. See you guys next time.